Hey guys. Ooh, my hair look crazy. Today's vlog is my moving vlog. I'm officially moving out of this apartment and I've been here for a year now. I have an overlap from the new apartment with this apartment of like 3 weeks, which is a lot. And yeah, so I'm gonna slowly be moving into my new apartment, and tomorrow I'm gonna go pick up the keys, and I have some bookshelves to pick up from Target, and we're just gonna move some small boxes there. This is all getting packed up, okay? So this is what it looks like. So y'all know the transformation. All of this will get moved. Like this is a mess. And then the bookshelf, the mirror. My jeans are kind of giving. Anyways, one last time for the view. I know y'all like this view because I do too. Moving part 1, day 1. And over.
Thank you.
Packages coming in already. Okay, let's go to our apartment. Empty apartment tour. This is where I'll be having dinner. Wow, big counter. And then here's where I'll be cooking. Then we have the den. Oh my god, this room is so small. And then the washer and dryer. Bathroom. Woohoo. And then the living room, we have a couch coming in and rugs and stuff. And then this is the bedroom. And here's our view. My glasses just hit the window. Holy crap. The window's a little too clean. This lighting is giving. Let's see what I packed in my bag, okay? Wipes. You need this. And then a candle, a lighter, because you know we want the room to smell good. Some water, because I didn't bring my kettle, so I'll be drinking bottled water for today. And then Swifter. So I gotta put this together. I might go to the gym today. I did bring my workout clothes. Oh, Alex, look. I brought a Polaroid for us to take a photo in my new apartment. So you're gonna do it like that. Hold it and press this. No, don't press it yet. No. It goes this way. I'm teaching Alex how to use a Polaroid. Polaroid. We don't have toilet paper. Holy crap. Oh, no. I'm gonna do a quick unboxing. Look what I got. It's a little box opener. Whoa, that was sharp. Alex, your charger. I don't even know what I got, guys. My slippers! Guys, I got these new slippers for the house, and they are literally the cutest thing ever. They're from Ralph Lauren. Look at them with a little bear on it. Oh, they are so cute. Now it's time to unbox the plates I packed yesterday. Isn't this thing just so cute? And I'm actually gonna load them in my dishwasher. I packed one singular dish pot to do the dishes for today, for now. Look at my little bowl, he's so cute. One thing good about this kitchen sink is that it's really big and it's really deep. But in a week or two, I'll bring my bleach and I'll like bleach everything. Because I'm not like living here just yet. So yeah, I'm gonna do the dishes. Be back. Hey, we ate lunch, and now we're building the bookshelves. Oh, you got all of them?
Is this supposed to be the top and this is the bottom? Or is that the top?
I think that's the bottom. Because look at it, it stands. Wow, nice. So now me and Alex, we're gonna go to the gym just to mess around, and we'll come back and switch to laundry before we head out for the night. But that is it for today. We'll come back again tomorrow and bring a little bit more stuff, maybe kitchen stuff, so we can actually start cooking. It's already 7 p.m. I'll give you a sneak peek of the den. So here is the little closet shelf. Just 2 of them. Hey guys, welcome back to my vlog part 2. Today, I'm just gonna unbox some of the packages I got. Let's see. Oh my god, I'm so excited. So first, let's see. Ooh. So I just do this with the vegetable. I'm confused. What is this? Ah, ice cube tray. You can make ice cubes. And then this is what's exciting. These are LED lights that I'm gonna be hanging in the closet. Oh, these are magnets. Slay. And I got so many of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, on to the next package. Alex. Oh, this is exciting. I don't know if you guys have seen those Japanese hand soaps where you pump it and it's like a flower. I did not know it was gonna be this huge. And then I got some foaming soap bottles for the kitchen. I got these kitchen sink hooks. So they come with these like stickers. You just put it on and you just stick it to your sink so it holds the sponge. So it comes in a set of 2, and this blue actually doesn't stay. You can like peel it off. And then let's see. Oh, what is this? This is my jar. Actually, it's not jar, it's plastic. And then, oh, I got spoons. Like for coffee and tea and stuff. Oh, they're kind of fun. I just got it because they're cute. They're just gold. Ah, there's more. This bag is never ending. Oh my god. This, y'all listen. You put cotton pads in it and you just like, aren't they so cute? And they match. That is so cute. Okay, on to the last box. This is what I'm most excited about. I love fresh soy milk. Like growing up in China, that was my go-to breakfast beverages. And I always wanted a soy milk maker, and I got one for free. Ah! But the really nice soy milk maker, the one that can make congee and all that, is like really expensive. They're like $200. I'm sure you can find some cheap one on Amazon, but I was just like, I don't know, let's just try it out, see how much I will use it, you know, before I invest in like a really good one. I have tried to use my blender to make soy milk before, and it was okay. Very time consuming. Usually when you make the soy milk, you have to pre-soak the soybeans overnight. But apparently for this one, you don't have to. So let's see. Oh my god! Ah! This is so fun. Got myself a little brush. Oh, let's see. Let's feel the blade. Okay, she a little sharp. Oh my god, do you guys like my new slippers? They're so cute. What? This is ready to be flipped. Ooh. Yeah. It's today's Wednesday. You know what that means? Today's couch day. The couch is literally coming in like 10 minutes. Alex went down in the lobby to meet them, and I'm just here finishing up some work, and the couch is gonna be here any minute. I'm so excited. New couch. Look at her. First load done. Oh my god, the paint came off.
Oh, too bad. Why'd you do that? Shit. Hey. Wow. That's kind of bad.
Alex, say hi. We're moving. This is all our stuff, the first load. We are like mostly moved in. This is not where my mirror is gonna be, but it's where it is right now. And we're gonna go back. So take the bed apart and then put in the U-Haul. And then we're gonna go to IKEA and maybe grab some food because we haven't eaten anything all day.
Is this part of your vlog?
We're done. Oh my god, I'm gonna run into this car. I changed. I still look crusty. It's fine. Let me give you a room tour. It's a mess. Like all of this, it's a mess. Like I cannot find anything in this room. I think that is all for my move-in vlog, and stay tuned for the final apartment tour once I get everything figured out, because right now I literally have shoe boxes on this table, like 3 of them, so I need to clean everything. But that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.